Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Reel Remix on Instagram. So watch this video till the end. Instagram Reels are quick videos that may be published to stories and are showcased on the Explore page. Reels can become more engaging through Remix since it enables content creators to work together to produce fresh, amusing mini clips. Remix enables you to produce new Reels in response to Reels submitted by other users, which you can then publish next to the original Reels. Here's how you can enable Reel Remix. So, without further ado, let's get started. Open your Instagram app on your device. Go to your profile by clicking the bottom right icon. Tap the three-line menu symbol in the upper right corner. Tap on Settings. On the Settings page, tap on Privacy. Tap on Reels and Remix. Move slide bar of Allow for Reels to right. So, this is how you can enable Reels Remix on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedbacks. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.